How you can see progress in your life if you are keep repeating the same cycle, going to work with this attitude, finish your work, you are so tired, you are so stressful because you are keep thinking negatively about the situation you are in, and of course you're gonna grab the bad habits, of course you're gonna get into the vices. And that's how you're gonna keep repeating this cycle over and over and over again. Pain, escape, pain, escape. And this keep repeating. I used to live like this, brother, every single day for years, and nothing good grow from there. Just more pain to myself, and actually letting myself even more down, and not only myself but my family as well, because I wanted so bad to be a role model for them. I wanted so bad to provide for them, to provide for myself, to provide for my future kids. But how can I be so uncounterproductive with myself if I keep repeating this cycle, if I keep repeating this mindset? This stupid mindset is a fucked up mindset, brother, of waking up in the morning. Even if you hate your job, brother, you'll have in one point to switch the sides. You'll have in one point to switch the sides and to actually see an opportunity for you. Stop seeing alcohol, stop seeing weed, stop seeing scrolling, stop seeing gambling as a form of freedom after you finish your work. And the way you're gonna stop seeing that as a freedom, it's when you actually gonna start seeing your job, because there you're gonna spend the most of your life, brother. You're already spending around 40 to 50 hours every single week. You will have to switch something in your brain to stop seeing your job, to stop seeing your work as a prison. Stop seeing that as a prison. Because from there you're gonna stop seeing alcohol, stop seeing weed, stop seeing all these vices as a freedom, as an escape after you finish your work, in your days off as well. That's how you are stopping the vices. That's how you are stopping the bad habits. By stop seeing your job, your work as a prison, and start to seeing as an opportunity for you to actually grow as a man. Be grateful for this opportunity, brother. At your job, you can get stronger as a man. At your job, you can get so much knowledge about other people, about yourself, how to deal with difficult situations, to contract time. So you can actually do so many things, to be a multitasking person, to do so many things in such a short period of time and to be productive in the same time. Because it is possible. But you must open your eyes. It's not going to be every day honey, sweet. You have bad days as well, definitely. But 90% of that days, it must be something which you enjoy. You must switch your mindset. See it as an opportunity. As I said, be grateful for this opportunity. Brother, your job is paying your bills. Your job is a part of your journey. It's not an enemy of your journey. It's fueling your journey, brother. It's paying your bills. It's paying your food. So why not seeing at something good? Even if it's hard some days, as I said, fuck it. It's gonna be hard days anyway, with your job or without your job. Because if you don't switch this mindset, brother, of keep repeating the same circle, as I said, pain, escape, you're gonna be stuck the same as I did for years. I was overweight, brother, 100 kg, full of vices, bad habits, gambling, smoking, drinking alcohol, going out every single weekend, just because I was hating my job, just because I was hating the way I was living. Waking up grumpy in the morning, spend all day just fucking thinking about what I'm gonna do after I finish my work so I can actually feel free, to feel the freedom. Because I put myself in a fucking box. I put myself in a box just thinking I'm in a prison where I'm just doing money and being rude to everyone and being rude with myself included. I kept myself in a prison, and that's why I was getting in vices and bad habits, even in my days off. I'm not even saying about my days off because I was completely ruining my life. Sleeping until 12 o'clock in the afternoon. What the fuck? going and grabbing beers, going and grabbing junk food. What life is that, bro? How can I grow as a man? What escape I could find? A different job will be a solution? No. More money will be a solution? No, because I would just more amplify the bad vices which I had. More money. A vacation? Of course it wasn't a solution, a vacation. Because I would just keep repeating the same cycle. Going with the same bad vices in that vacations. So nothing could change. So I'm telling you, it's so much important, brother, to actually see your job, your work, which you are doing, as an opportunity for you to grow, to be grateful, to show love, yeah, to show love to your job. Fuck it. Show love. Wake up in the morning and say to yourself that today I'm gonna have the best time of my life. The opportunities is gonna be in front of me. I'm open to every challenge I'm gonna encounter today. And I'm gonna fucking do everything in my power to resolve them. Just say this to yourself. Say this to yourself, and once, brother, after time, not gonna take too long, but after a little while, I promise to you that you're gonna stop seeing your job, your work as a prison. And you're not gonna feel, brother, you're not gonna feel anymore that needs to go to the shop to buy alcohol. You're not gonna feel that need to stay and watch Netflix for 2 hours after you finish your job. You're not gonna feel that need because there is no prison, there is no something to escape. And I'm not saying this as like, to don't try to build your way up, to grow as a man. Definitely want to do that. But it's not gonna help you if you are grumpy and you are hating your life and you are hating your job. Because I'm telling you, there you're gonna spend more than half of your life at your job. So why the fuck you should hate your life then? Why would you hate your life if there you are spending most of your days, most of your time, 50 hours every single week? Why not be joyful, even if it's hard sometimes? Why not be grateful that I can actually learn who the fuck I am in the difficult situations? Learn how the fuck I'm gonna handle the pressure. Learn how the fuck I'm gonna handle difficult people. How I'm gonna talk with them. Not to manipulate them, but how I'm gonna react to an anger people when it's coming to me, an anger reaction. Just open your eyes, bro. There's so many opportunities when you are around people. You know, so many opportunities. And from there you grow as a man. From there you build your way up. From there you're gonna get in a better shape. How you can get in a better shape? When you hate your life, when you hate your job, and you find every time an escape for you every single day. Instead of spending your actually neurons, your thoughts for your vision. You're spending all your energy, brother, in a totally different direction. And that's why I said I'm not against don't quit your job. I'm not against of not growing as a man to build your way up. I'm totally am. But this is gonna help you, brother, so much. To have a positive thinking, a positive attitude towards how you spend your days. It's so important. And that's how I change. That's how I went from being overweight, 100 kg, smoking weed, drinking alcohol like a fucking maniac, gambling, all my money, brother, all my salaries were just going for gambling. Everything. I was so sad, depressed, without self-respect for myself. Every day felt like hell, brother. Every day felt like hell. Every single shift at my work, every 10 hours, every 12 hours, it felt like I'm in prison. I was binge eating during my work. I was working as a chef, and I'm still working as a chef, but different type of person, brother. I'm a different type of person. I still have days where I'm angry sometimes. Definitely I am. What the fuck, I'm a human being. But I'm totally different person. And that's how I changed from that person to a new me, brother. I wasn't able to talk to the camera. I was so fucking introvert. I was so shy. I thought that just money is a solution for fucking everything. That's how I changed. That's how I got rid of habits. When I switched the sides from hating my life to actually embrace it, to actually agree with what I'm living right now. That's how I changed from 100 kg to 75 kg with self-respect for myself, more confidence in myself. Now I can travel with myself. Back in the day, I couldn't see to go just by myself in a different country, to travel, to go around. I couldn't feel safe around myself. I needed people. I needed people around me to feel joy, to feel happiness. It's not even about joy, to feel a sort of dopamine. I needed people, to be surrounded by people, but now I can be alone in the middle of nowhere and I don't care because I'm with myself. I enjoy my presence right now. 75 kg, different body shape. I never seen myself having a six-pack visible. Never, brother. Now my bank account looks different because I don't gamble anymore. Now I have money to sustain my life. Now I have money to sustain my vacations, my holidays. I can go whenever the fuck I want. I can help my family as well. I can build a future for myself. Just because I switch sides from hating my life to actually embrace it and grow as a man from there. And that's why I made this video for you, brother. To see the opportunity in your work. Stop hating it and actually embrace the current situation. From there, you're gonna step up as a man. I promise to you, because it's working. I've done it. And why you cannot do it the same as I did, just by switching sides. Peace, brother.